Hello, and thank you for joining me in another lesson in Sage X3. Today, we're gonna take a look at intersite transaction in X3. So, the transfer function is used to intervene on a stock line or a group of stock lines so as to transfer stock from one site to another. The first thing, we will take a look at the site setups. So we need to set up the sites as basically customer and suppliers. So we're gonna take a look at the customer function, and we need to make sure for our customer if R011 that the intersite, the checkbox intersite is flagged, and there is an associate site with the customer. We need to make sure also for our suppliers FR012. And then the next thing, we will take a look at the product. So we're gonna go to common data, product and product site. The product site. So we're gonna use the iPhone 5 as our product. So we need to make sure for this product that all product site records uh, are setups for all the sites where we are going to be transferring this product to. So for this product, we have the product site FR011 and the product site FR012. All right, so next thing we are going to look at transaction of the intersite function, and there is two ways to do the intersite transfer. The one is just a basic intersite transfer, which which will move the stock from in FR011 to FR012. And the second way is you can use the purchase orders, and automatically the sales orders will be generated, and then we're gonna make a delivery, and then a receipt, a purchase receipt, and that's the end of the line. There is no purchase invoice or sales invoice because they are in the same company. So we will first look at the first stock movement. This is the most simple and the quick thing you can do. So we're gonna go to stock and receipt, issue transaction, and we have the intersite transfer. Then we're gonna choose our transaction entry, and we're gonna create a new transaction. So gonna go from FR011 as my origin site, and to FR012 as my destination site. We'll select the product, and then we'll make my stock selection, and I will choose the line. Then I will select the quantity of the iPhone which will be transferred to FR012. So I will select 3 units, and then will create. That is the first the first way. So there are more formal ways to do the intersite transfer. You can start with a purchase order. So we're gonna go to the purchasing, and we have orders, and we select orders. We choose the transaction entry, So we're gonna create a new purchase order. So for the order site, we can choose FR011, and for our supplier, we can choose FR012. On the lines, we're gonna choose the product. All right, and then we're gonna tab enter the quantity, and we need to input the quantity. And we create the purchase order. So it's inter-site purchase order. Automatically, the system will generate the sales order. So we have the number of sales order. We're gonna select this number, and we're gonna go to the sales model, and we will choose our sales order. So on sales, we have orders and orders. We choose the transaction entry, okay, and we paste the number of sales orders. That's the sales orders which is generated, and then we're gonna click on delivery. So that's the half of the transaction, and we're gonna validate this delivery. That's it. And then the next step, we're gonna do the purchase receipt on the other side. So we're gonna go purchasing receipt and receipt. We choose the transaction entry, and we're gonna generate a new transaction. Our receiving site, it's FR011, and the supplier FR012. And then we have the delivery selection. We choose this delivery for 3 units, and we gonna create the purchase receipt. That is the second way. So thank you for watching, and until next time.